Hello and welcome guys to our channel Quick Guide. Today I'm gonna show you how to do text to speech on TikTok. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you will be updated with our latest videos in upcoming days. So now let's get into it. First, let's open the app TikTok. Then once you open the app TikTok, you can see the option plus sign at the middle, which we normally click to make new videos in the TikTok. So let's click on it. Then you can start recording your video. You need to do is click on this option tick mark at the right hand side. So let's click on it. So let's start then recording the video you can see for the sake of the tutorial. And when you are done recording the video, then so let's start recording the video just for the sake of the tutorial. And when you are done recording the video, then so let's start recording. Then now you can see the option text at the top of the screen of the TikTok. So let's click on that option. So yeah, now you can type the text according to your videos. So whatever you type, and when you are done, click on the option done. Then just click on the option, then click on the text then click on the text that you just typed, and you can see the option text to speech. So click on that option as well. So now when you are done, you can click on the option next, and then
type the text according to your videos.
And then this is how you add text to the speech, and this is how you do text to speech on TikTok. So yeah, after that you can just click on the option next and then post your videos on the TikTok and other social medias. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in another episode of Quick Guide. Until then, have a great day.